Oh!
You should get more from Karen, wouldn't you? Why don't you talk to him?
It's the break point of the third set. 4-1 to Nadal.